Be careful with these phishing emails that says Amazon.com. These are some fake scams, and I'm gonna open this one up and show you what it say right here. This is the email address it's coming from. So I'm gonna report this email address for spam and also for fraud. But it says, we have temporarily placed your Amazon account on hold and cancel any pending orders or subscriptions because we detected unusual activity, blah, blah, blah. Do not click this. Do not sign in and give them any of your information. So I'm going to put this link in the description below of how to report this. But you go to this website right here on Amazon. You can report it on Amazon. It says if you are getting emails or phone calls or text messages from websites, you can report it right here. So if you're getting this stuff, go ahead and report it, so that they'll stop sending out emails to people, and maybe you might get one of these emails. So first you click this link right here, and once you click it, you start filling out the information. And you can take the information from the email or text message you receive. Mine say I have not shared any of my information, so I'm gonna click that. Did you make a payment of any type? No. So I'm gonna click no. How were you contacted? By email. So I'm gonna put the date, which was January the 30th at 6:40 a.m. So go ahead and fill that out. And once you put the date and time, did the sender put a phone number? Make sure. I went back and clicked email. No, they didn't send a phone number. So I'm gonna copy and paste that sender's email address. And then I'm going to paste what's in the description of that email. I'm going to summarize it. I'm going to just paste it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to forward this email to stop spoofing at Amazon.com. So I'm going to copy that and go to that email and hit forward. And I'm going to forward that email to Amazon. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit the forward. I'm going to paste that email address in the that's Amazon email address, and I'm gonna hit send. That's it. Make sure everything's okay and hit send. So I'm sending it to Amazon and say, hey, this is what I received. Then I'm gonna go back to that report that I was filling out and make sure everything. I'm gonna click that right there. I have forward the email, which I just did, and hit submit. And once you hit submit, you're going to get this says your report was submitted and thanks. So you can either return to Amazon, but I'm going to go to my email and show you what email I got from Amazon after I sent it. This is the email that you'll get from Amazon, just confirming that they got your email and they're looking into this and everything is okay. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.